Today we will perform an experiment. There is a determination of metacentric height. So before going to that, we must know what is metacentric. So if you consider one object like this, A, B, C, D, submerged in the water, this is your free surface of the water, or maybe in any liquid, then you will get two centers. One is called center of gravity, another one is called center of buoyancy. Now if you give certain angular displacement to this particular object like this here, then what happened? Your buoyancy will shift it from B to B1, and if you draw one imaginary line passing through the new center of buoyancy to the axis passing through the center of gravity of this particular object, then it will intersect a particular point which is denoted here M, is called metacenter, and distance between M and G is called metacentric height. So this is the theory behind this. Let's come to the experiment and their data. So in this experiment, here distance of the groups means in the experiment you will find certain groups 2.5 cm, 5 cm, 7.5 and 10 cm. Similarly, weight of the ship, weight of the big strip, weight of the small strip, this is suppose W1 is equal to 14.035 kg, and weight of the hanger where we put our applied load is 0.018 kg. Now here we applied load 350 gram, 500 gram and 1 kg or 1000 gram. Now here small w is the weight of the hanger and applied weight. This applied weight may be 350, 500 or 1000 gram. And capital W is equal to W1 plus small w. Now metacentric height is given by this formula, Gn is small w x divided by capital W tan theta, where x is the distance moved by the weight. Weight means this one, applied weight, and theta is angle of tilt. So after that we perform the experiment. Hello students, so this is your metacentric height apparatus, where you get one big ship like this one. This is the water here, we are pouring water here. At first you have to check, you have to stabilize this ship inside the water. Okay, after stabilizing, here you get this is your hanger. Okay, it is already 350 gram weight is given. Okay, and this is your grooves. So here you will get right hand side and left hand side. So here you can perform the same experiment for right hand side also, for left hand side also. So for the first observation, we are putting this weight 350 gram along with this hanger in this position. After that, we have to observe. Let's stabilize this one. We have to observe. It is touching here, so let me put in opposite direction. So you will get certain degree of deflection, which is very minimum because weight is very small and this distance is very small. When you move this hanger from this position to that position, then the angle will increase. Okay, so what will be the angle here? It's almost
1 degree.
1 degree. So 1 degree, someone write 1 degree. Okay, now this is from this side, you can say this is your right hand. So let's perform the same thing for the left hand side. So I am putting this hanger with the same weight in the left hand side. And let's try to stabilize this one. Then we observe the deflection, and deflection will be
2 degree.
again 2 degree. So we can write 2 degree here. Okay. Similarly, we will perform for the next one. This is your left hand side, and position of the axe will be here is 5. So this is near about
4 degree.
4 degree. This is your left hand side, 4 degree. Again we do the same thing for right hand side. Here let's stabilize this because it is moving. It is near about 4 only, 4 degree for right hand side. Again we can displace this one from 7.5. This is your 2.5, this is your 5, this is your 7.5, this is your 10. This is your 7.5. This is right hand side. So here degree will be
5.
5, right hand side 5. Again we perform that one in the left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side. Let's stabilize this one. It is near about 5. Let's do it for 10 cm. 10 cm. It is
6.
6 or 7.
6.
6.
6 means 7.
This is 7. Then we do the same thing for right hand side. Right hand side. Seven only. This is also 7. So after that we change the weight. This is your 350. Now we are applying 500 gram. 500 gram. And we perform the same procedure we have to follow here. So at first, this is 2.5, X is 2.5. Let's stabilize this one.
4.
1, 2,
1 is error, 1 degree is error.
3.
3 means 4, sir. 1 degree error.
Okay, 4. This is 4. 4. 4. 4. Again we perform for the left hand side. Let me stabilize this one. That is also 4. Again we change the X position at 5 in left hand side. It is 5 6 means 6. Then do the same thing for right hand side. For right hand side, it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again you do it for the same for 7.5. 7.5. Let's stabilize this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is equal, it will be
7.
7. 7. Again you perform for left hand side. This is
7.
This is 7. It will be 8.
So 7, 6.
8, 8. Over here, 8. 8. Okay. Then do it for the 10 in left hand side. Just wait because it is 9. But you can see it is 10. Now same, you can do it for 10 cm for right hand side. It is coming 7, so it is 8. Now 500 gram is over. Let's go for the 1 kg, 1 kg or 1000 gram. This one. We perform the same thing here. So position, X position at 2.5, sorry, 2.5. This 1, 2, it will be 4. Now we are doing the same thing for left hand side. It is 6. Okay. Now do it for 5 in left hand side. Just a minute. It is 9. So it is 10. Same we are doing it for right hand side. You are getting 9, so it is 10. Same we are doing it for 7.5. It will be 11 for left hand side. From left hand side. For left hand side is 30. It is 14. Okay. Try this one also once again. Okay, just wait. In right hand side, so right hand side is also 14 actually. That one is 14. Okay, let's come for X position 10 cm. X position 10 cm. So it is 15, right? So for left hand side, it is coming here about 17 to 18. Now come here, come this side, please. You see here you get some error. Why you are getting error, I am telling you. Because this particular sheep is provided in a small bucket. When you place the weight, sometimes the edge of the sheep touches the bucket. That's why you are getting some error. And another most important thing is that in the hanger, if you observe, the weight is not applied properly in the strip. It is tilted, and sometimes this particular weight is also touched in the sheep. So that's why you are getting some error. So whenever you perform the experiment, you are getting error is not a big deal, but why you are getting error, it is very important. So you are observing here, look at here, this is not properly placed. It should be placed this manner, but due to weight is very heavy, it is tilted and applied force is not properly placed here actually in this point only. And this particular weight is also touched in the inner surface of the sheep. So that's why you will getting some error. Okay, thank you. So students, after doing this experiment, we are getting a observation table. So for the weight 350 gram, that is along with the weight of the hanger, this is your W, small w, this is your big W, capital W is your 0.368, that is W, small w1, and plus weight of the whole sheep. And this is your position of X, and for position of X 2.5, in the right hand side, left hand side, this is 2, 2. For the position of 5, it is 4, 4. For position of 7.5, it is 5, 5. And for 10, position of 10, cm is 7, 7. That is for the weight 350 gram. Similarly, for 500 gram, 2.5 is 4, 4. For 5, left hand side is 6, right hand side is 5. 7.5, left hand side is 8, right hand side is 7. And for the position 10, left hand side is 10, right hand side is 8. Similarly, for the 1 kg, 2.5 will be 4. For left hand side, right hand side is 6. And the position 5, it is 10, 10 in both the side. For 7.5 is 14, 14. And last one, this is the 10, it is 18 for left hand side, and for right hand side it is 16. Now by using this formula, you can easily find out this metacentric height. Okay, and if you observe here, we are considering this weight in kg, but we are taking this cm in this x distance in cm. If you observe the formula, this weight will nullify, so kg will gone, so only remain is the cm. So that's why you are getting metacentric height in cm. Okay, thank you.